success was not possible. So I want to thank all the manufacturers, distributors who supply us the goods. And secondly, United Team under the leadership of Asim Sarwar. And of course, our managing director, Chris Galfer, who is the jewel in the crown, mashallah, and his team. And finance is the most important thing in any business. So we have our financial director, David, with us here as well. Big cheers to David. And more important, Tony Khan is the longest serving individual working with United. So I thank Tony as well. And I thank most